Welcome to MAKAUT Smashers. Today we will start the new series of a new subject. Introduction to Industrial Management. The subject code is HSMC 501. Okay. So the subject covers the lot of things. At first we should know about what the things the subject should cover. The industrial management would typically cover introductory topics related to how business and organizations in industrial or manufacturing sectors are managed, with an emphasis on foundational principles and practices. Students might learn about key concepts, management theories, decision making processes, and relevant tools and techniques used in the field of industrial management. This course may also provide an overview of the historical development and evolution of industrial management as a discipline. So, the field that deals with the planning, organizing, and directing and controlling of resources, processes, and activities in an industrial or manufacturing setting. It encompasses various aspects of managing an organization's operations, including production, quality control, human resource, and logistics, and more. So, the syllabus is all about introduction, critical path method, program evaluation, review technique, material management, production planning and control, value analysis and cost control, and recent trend in industrial management. Okay, see, the first chapter, introduction, we learn many topics such as system concepts. So we should start now. The introduction part. So at first we should know about what is system. A system in the context of industrial management refers to a set of interconnected or interrelated elements or components working together to achieve a specific goal or objectives. These elements can be people, processes, technologies, resources, or any combination thereof. In the industrial management, a system is typically defined as an organized and coordinated set of components that work together to achieve a common goal or purpose. It involves the integration of people, processes, resources, and technology to achieve desired outcomes. We should need types of system. First is open system and second is closed system. So, open system, the system interact with their environment, exchange inputs and outputs with it, and are influenced by external factors. Industrial organizations are often open systems as they interact with suppliers, customers, and other external entities. The closed system, these systems are relatively self-contained and do not interact significantly with their environment. In industrial management, closed systems may refer to isolated process or components within an organization that operate independently of external influences. So, the topic next is parameters and variables and behavior. So, what is parameter here? Parameters are fixed values or constants within a system that defines its structure or characteristics. For example, in a manufacturing system, the production capacity, the number of machines, and the available space can be considered. Next is variable. Variables are elements with a system that can exchange or vary. They are often used to measure or describe the system's behavior. In an industrial context, variables can include production output, quality levels, employee productivity, and more. Next thing is behavior or system behavior. System behavior refers to how a system's component interact and how the system responds to various inputs, changes, or disturbances over time. Examples in industrial management system behavior might involve studying how changes in production processes affect output levels, how adjustment in supply chain management impact inventory levels, or how shifts in workplace dynamics influence overall productivity. Understanding this concept is crucial for industrial management and professionals to analyze, optimize, and improve the performance of industrial system. By comprehending the system structure, variables, and behavior, managers can make informed decisions to enhance efficiency, productivity, and overall organizational performance. Additionally, system thinking is an important skill for addressing complex challenges in industrial settings. Next topic is management. And how management works here. At first, we need to learn about definitions. So, the definition of management. Management is a process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling an organization's resources, include people, finances, materials, and information, to achieve its goal and objectives efficiently and effectively. Functions of management. Management involves several key functions that are essential for the successful operation of any organizations. These functions are often described as the POLC framework. P for planning, O for organizing, L for leading or directing, and C for controlling. At first, planning. Planning involves setting organizational goals, defining strategies to achieve these goals, and developing detailed plans and actions to implement those strategies. It's the process of deciding in advance what needs to be done and how it will be accomplished. Organizing. Organizing is the function of arranging and structuring the organization's resources, including human resources, finances, and physical assets, to ensure that the planned goals can be achieved. This includes defining roles, responsibilities, and reporting relationships. Third is leading. Leading or directing involves guiding, motivating, and influencing employees or team members to work towards the organization's objectives. It includes communication, delegation, and providing the necessary leadership to inspire and engage individuals or teams. Fourth is controlling. Controlling is a function of monitoring and evaluating the organization's performance to ensure that it is on track to achieve its goals. It involves comparing actual results to planned objectives and taking corrective actions where necessary to maintain alignment with the organization's goals. These management functions are interrelated and often cyclical, meaning that they are ongoing and iterative process. Effective management requires the continuous application of these functions to adapt to change in the internal and external business environment and to drive the organization towards success. The last topic is organizational structure. Okay. So, we should know about what is organizational structure. The definition. Organizational structure refers to the framework or blueprint that defines how various roles, responsibilities, and tasks and functions are organized within an organization. It outlines the hierarchy, reporting relationships, and communication channels that facilitate the efficient flow of information and decision making. The goals of organizational structure. The primary goal of an organizational structure include efficiency, clarity, flexibility, communication, optimal resource allocation, efficiency, ensuring that the tasks and the processes are carried out in the most efficient and effective manner. Clarity, providing clear lines and authority and responsibility to avoid confusions. Flexibility, adapting to changes in the external environment and internal needs. Communication, facilitating effective communication and coordinating among employees. optimal resource allocation, ensuring that resources including human resources are allocated optimally to achieve organizational goals. Factors considered in formulating organizational structure. Several factors are considered when formulating an organizational structure, including organizational goals, size of the organization, nature of the industry, culture and values, external environment, legal and regulatory requirements, leadership style. Okay. Types of organizational structure. There are several types of organizational structure, including functional structure, divisional structure, and matrix structure. Team-based structure, network structure, flat structure, and etc. The advantage and disadvantages of organizational structure. Advantages: efficient resource allocation, clear lines of authority, specialization, improved communication, and adaptability. Disadvantage is that potential and for bureaucracy, slow decision making, resistance to change, and communication bottlenecks. Application of organizational structure: business management, non-profit organizations, government agencies, healthcare, educational institutions, etc. So understanding organizational structure is crucial for managers and leaders in making informed decision and about how to organize their teams and resource to achieve organizational goals efficiently and effectively. The choice of structure can significantly impact an organization's performance and adaptability in a rapidly changing business environment. So thanks for watching now, and in the next upcoming series we will also continue the subject industrial management. And thanks for watching, and so also subscribe our channel for upcoming videos related to computer science and etc. for MAKAUT University. Thanks for watching.